Tagging your site to measure results and collect information about your visitors is a central part of digital marketing. At Google, we have several different tagging options that you can use. We'll briefly explain each of them in this video. The AdWords conversion tracking tag is used to measure conversions on your website. Conversions are the valuable actions visitors make, such as a purchase or a sign up. Tracking conversions using this tag is one of the best ways to get the most out of AdWords, as it allows you to use advanced automated features such as Conversion Optimizer or Return on Ad Spend. AdWords conversion tracking is useful for all campaign types and works for both search and display. The tag should only go on the conversion pages of your website, for example, the thank you pages after a purchase. It should not be on every single page. The AdWords remarketing tag is used to create custom audience lists. This means that you can create audience lists for specific groups of people based on what they do on your website. These lists can then be used for targeting purposes. For example, you might want to create an audience list for people who visited your online store's cart page but didn't go on to purchase. You can then show the members of this list an ad to persuade them to come back to your website to complete the purchase. Or you might want to create an audience list for visitors who have completed a purchase and then use this list to exclude them from any future advertising. The AdWords remarketing tag is also used for dynamic remarketing. Dynamic remarketing is a powerful technique that shows visitors dynamically tailored ads that contain the actual products that they viewed on your website, and it is shown to be a highly performing marketing technique. The AdWords remarketing tag can be used for all campaign types and works for both search and display. Usually the tag is placed on every page of your website. Although the remarketing tag and the conversion tracking tag look very similar, both tags are separate and do not replace each other, so make sure that you have both the conversion tracking tag and the remarketing tag on your conversion pages. Google Analytics is a very versatile tool. As well as collecting data about how your visitors are using your website, you can also link your Google Analytics account to your AdWords account. Linking your Analytics account to your AdWords account allows you to import both goals and remarketing lists into AdWords. This means that if you already have Google Analytics on your website, then you do not need to change your website to use the AdWords conversion or remarketing tags, since you can just import that data into AdWords from Google Analytics. The double-click floodlight tag is used to capture and report on the actions of users who visit your website after viewing or clicking on one of your ads. Floodlight tags act as a normal tag in double-click products, as well as acting as a simple container for other tags, including the AdWords tags. This means that if you already have a floodlight tag on your website, you can add additional tags to it from the double-click user interface without having to re-tag. For example, if you have a floodlight tag on your conversion page already, you could add your AdWords conversion tracking tag to it easily from within the double-click user interface. You will generally only use floodlight tags if you already have a double-click account and you're already running marketing activity in double-click. If all of this is starting to sound like a lot of tagging, then don't worry, you're not alone. To help make things easier, you can use a tag management tool such as Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager is a tag container. This means that you only need to tag your website once. After that, all other tags that you want to add to your website can be added for a simple web-based user interface. This way you can change your website's tags without having to modify your website's HTML. This makes tagging quick, simple, and easy. Google Tag Manager is free, widely used on the internet, and is compatible with Google Tags as well as other tags. If you are tagging your site from scratch, we strongly recommend that you use Google Tag Manager or another tag container for your tagging needs, as it really does simplify things. Now that you know about all the different tagging options available to you, log into your AdWords account to get started. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. While you're there, you can get all the latest AdWords tips videos, and if you have any questions, you can post them in the comments section.